So good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you to the High Resolution Microscopy Applied to Biomedical Research workshop, the very first event organized by the BioIMG Network for the Advancement of Biomedical Research, or simply BioIMG Net, which is sponsored by the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative. To open this workshop, I would like to invite Professor Fernando Marcos dos Reis, the Dean of Research at the Federal University of Minas Gerais. Professor Fernando, it's a great honor to welcome you, representing the president of our university here, since you are a prominent researcher in human reproductive field. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Cristina. Can you hear me well, or should I change the microphone?
It's good.
Okay, so thank you very much. On behalf of our rector, Professor Sandra Almeida, it's my pleasure and honor to welcome all the speakers and attendees of this international workshop on high-resolution microscopy applied to biomedical research. This conference is hosted by the BioIMG Network of Minas Gerais, a group of scientists based here in our campus, and is funded by the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative. And they are building a regional platform of high-quality imaging facilities to integrate several institutes and universities, train people, and multiply their expertise. So I should say we are very proud to have you here, Dr. Guatimosim, and your team. I see Dr. Greg Keaton that belongs to the Center of Microscopy, one of our institutional research centers. That is really a reason for being very, very proud to have these excellent centers of research within our university. I know you have been contributing to this many, many years to improve the reach and the quality of the research projects in morphological sciences here. This center congregates people from different institutes, from physics to computer science to medicine and biology. And here is today is a moment of joy for us to see part of this research output being exposed to a great audience, and this important exchange of experiences with other institutions around the world. Thank you for the opportunity to be with you at this start. I wish you a great conference, and again, congratulations for the work performed by the BioIMG Network.
Thank you very much, Professor Fernando. Now I'm going to take a few minutes to present you our network. So the BioIMG Network of Minas Gerais, or BioIMG Net, is a pioneering initiative established in 2022 that has been explicitly designed to strengthen collaboration between multi-user microscopy facilities within the state of Minas Gerais, and then expand this effort to other regions of Brazil and Latin America. It's composed of 7 institutions around the state of Minas Gerais, which are actively using bioimage technologies. Our main goal is to bring the microscopy community together to share information and expertise, and also improve access to microscopy for biomedical research. To achieve our goals, we have been meeting and discussing our roadmap for the next years. And in the next slides, I'm going to show you some of our endeavors so far. So we are promoting online courses and hands-on training of researchers, technicians, and students in our microscopy facilities at UFMG, and also in our partners of BioIMG Net facilities. We are also sending our technicians to other institutions to learn advanced bioimaging techniques. And we are constructing a website that will have much information about training, workshops, and educational resources. Please visit us in this address, www.microscopyimg.org, etc. And if you want to contact us, don't hesitate to send us an email. Our network is very preoccupied with sharing knowledge and provide new opportunities with young students and the public in general. For example, we have organized visits of public high school students to our facilities at UFMG under the project Microscopy, a World That Reveals Itself. In addition, our partners at BioIMG Net have received children for several activities. Our main goal is to stimulate critical thinking and scientific reasoning in this target audience, so lacking in opportunities. And we are currently implementing a new microscopy technique in Brazil, the 3D serial section array electron microscopy, a technique developed by Jeff Lichtman to study the intricate connections in the nervous system. And in a couple of minutes, we will have the chance to learn from Jeff more details about this Dalton project. I would like to emphasize that besides the neuroscience field, many other areas can be benefited since it allows three-dimensional reconstruction of cells, tissues, and entire organisms, such as worms and parasites, with unprecedented detail. After this brief introduction about BioIMG Net, during this workshop, we will have the opportunity to hear numerous researchers from different areas showing how they are using advanced bioimage methods and technologies. So this morning, we are going to hear Professor Jeff Lichtman from Harvard talking about 3D serial volume EM. In the afternoon, we are going to hear Professor Holland Fleck and Rodrigo Portugal from the King's College and talking about the novel electron microscopy methods to study cellular and single particle ultrastructure. Tomorrow morning, we're going to listen Lucy Collinson and Kildare Miranda from Francis Crick Institute in London and Universidade Federal do Rio de Janeiro, talking about correlative light electron microscopy and multimodal imaging technologies. And in the afternoon, we're going to have a section of super resolution and electron microscopy investigations of biological mechanisms with Davidson Gomes from UFMG and Rosana Mello from UFGF. And finally, on Friday, we are going to listen Valderes Dutra and Monica Carrasco in the morning about high content imaging and multiplex imaging techniques. And we are going to close our workshop with a little bit different subject, not microscopy, but the powers of bioimaging applied to medical diagnosis. And it's going to be on Thursday. Sorry, I said Friday, but it's Thursday. With Adriana Tavares from the University of Edinburgh and Maria do Carmo Pereira Nunes from the University Federal de Minas Gerais.